got rain last night. I don't know if the horses are going to be crowding the front gate or up the paddock. And I don't know if I'm going to get up the paddock without getting bogged. I'm going to need a run at it. And the worst thing about getting a run at it is to get a horse in front of the ute and break a leg, and I don't want to do that. So I'm almost at the gate. I will switch this off and switch it back on when I make the charge. Horses at the front gate, that's one thing. I've just got to get up the paddock now. It's only two-wheel drive this year, so hopefully I'll be able to pick a dry patch. I've got to get up to there where the guys are. So I'll cut across here a bit. You see my old marks there. I'll go here. Oh, I'm spinning. I'll get up the paddock, but I've got to get across to the feeder. Whoops, that's a bit. Oh, I just made that. I just made that. We'll be getting out. I would say, look where I've come through there. Catch you later tonight, probably. All I got to do is get out of here without getting bogged now. And it's slippery. Even here in the bush it's slippery. So I shall get another run downhill. And that's where I come up. You can see where I come up. Not bad, the old MazdaBravo, two-wheel drive. Here it's slushing.